In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Canon printer not printing. There are few reasons your printer don't print. And the first and most important reason is if your printer is a Wi-Fi printer and if you print online using your Android phone, iPhone or your MacBook or a computer, then sometimes the printer loses the connection with the Wi-Fi network. If your printer is not connected, you can connect it again and you can start printing. And the second most important thing is sometimes printer runs out of the paper. Here you can see this printer has no paper in the paper tray, so it has just run out of paper. That means when you send a print command, it won't print. If your printer is not in front of you, then it might be the reason. And the next is low ink. Like if the ink is run out, if there is no ink, you can just check on the printer if there is an ink light flashing on that, or you can just go through the app or any device you have to see the ink settings and ink level. Now the fourth thing is the paper jam. Sometimes your printer has a paper jam and there is a warning light flashing on the screen. Sometimes we send a lot of printing job for the printer, so you have to check if the last job is completed or not. For example, if you send a print job and if it has run out of ink or out of paper jam, then it won't print that. And if you send a new command, it will not print anything. So these are the common reasons. We can just check and see if anything works for that. Thanks for watching.